Brothers and sisters, don't you wonder how are you going to jump 2026? Eh? You have to jump with strength. And as you can see here, you see everything is cleaned. Eh? I'm so happy. As you can see here, you see? Wow, this is also lemon. You make sure to leave the skin. Wow. And this one, this is the bitter part our body need. It's full of alkaline, I'm telling you. Oh, this bitter stuff, this one, oh, I'm telling you, it's so good, my people. You need the healthy to jump to 2026 and boost your immune system, my people. I want to show you because practice makes perfect. When you see it, it's not like the original. When you see it, you can understand it better. It's very, very good. See? Live like this. This bitter stuff is very, very good. You wanted to jump 2026, you have to clear your gut to be clean, to make your pipe like this one. It's not blockage. To be free so that your blood can run through. You know? And this is how you are going to unblock your veins. I'll cut small pieces. These are the things you can't buy them. You can just only make yourself, my people. Later I will press juice, and this juice I will add it after my cook is finished. After I cook my drink, this one will come at the end without cooked. I will press separately. But everything else I'm going to cook, my people. See? Wow. All is good. All is good, my people. Amazing here. Let me see you. See how I'm going to, you know, I'm going to put everything in water right now. This is garlic. This is mandarin, orange, lemon, and parsley. This here is garlic and cumin fresh and apple. Everything I'm going to put inside my boiling water, my people, and all other spices. Here, I'm telling you, trust the process and you will be amazed with the result. So, let me show you how we are going to do it here, and you will be amazed. You will be amazed. Now, my people, you see, my water is cooking. It's amazing. My water is cooking, and I can start with the, how you call it, with everything. Everything I'll put inside. I will start with everything here. See, this is cinnamon, cardamom, I'm telling you, you have to take care of yourself. Don't jump 2026 with weakness. Those are cloves. Hope you can see it. Now comes these ones. See? Apple, ginger, everything inside. See? Here come my oranges, mandarin, everything inside, my people. Everything inside. So amazing. Don't forget my garlic. Imagine all that. Where are you going to buy all this? Where? See how beautiful it is? It's amazing, my people. Amazing. And this one is going to cook, to boil, you know? So good, so good. I'm going to add a little bit water because I want to drink it the whole day. The whole day, my people. Amazing. Amazing. You see these things you ignore here, these ones, parsley? You see them and you think they are just greens. My people, this one with the full of fibers. Imagine it's supporting kidney functioning. It's very rich antioxidant with the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It boosts our immune system. It keep our breath fresh, because when you are drinking, you are healing yourself from inside out. You heal also your gums, your teeth. It's antibacterial. It has got compound which has antibacterial effect. Improves blood flow. You see, it's very good. It's also supporting our bones health, you know. Why? Because it has got a lot of fibers. It has got the vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, K for bones, C for boosting our immune system, because vitamin C will soldier our body. It has got the folate. It has got the iron. Where? A lot of fibers. Our guts need fibers. You know, fibers is things which are not with the chemicals, which are protecting our guts, full of potassium. You see, this is how you ignore this parsley. Imagine, it's very, very good. Very good with so many vitamins, my people. And this is just parsley. You see? Now, with this, you soldier yourself, my people. This drink has changed my life. This is beating oranges. This is healing bone sickness. You get used, and you will even wonder how comes no operation anymore for your bones joint. Well, keep on watching, my people, and I'm so happy if you are here and you can learn something small, you know. Even if you are one person, I'm happy. As I say, you cannot change the whole world, but you can change one at a time. My people, keep on watching and you will see the end result. And this one is going to cook slowly by slowly, and then I will simmer it out of the heat, and you will see the end result, my people. Keep on watching.